My son Graham has been losing his hair probably since sometime when he was in his teen years. So he's been getting, progressively more bald over quite some time now, and he's in his late 20s.
It just started as a small bald spot at the back of my head, and the front started receding towards the back as well, and it just kind of met in the middle. It's been hurting my self-confidence ever since then.
He wears ball caps all the time. He wishes he had hair, wishes there was a solution for it. I decided to see if there was anything we could do about it.
He had heard through a Stuck and Gunner that they had done great work, and so we went into looking to hair transplant for myself.
What we found was that, unfortunately,
I was missing too much hair.
They had a solution for him, but he'd have to go another route. If we had done all this, I don't know, 5 years ago, then it probably would have been possible.
I'm getting the Cesare Regazzi. It's human hair from Italy. They take a mold of my head, and from there they inject it with human hair follicles that they match to my hair type density, and then they send it over here and they fit it on me here.
I think it's going to be really exciting to see some more Graham confidence and just kind of see his true self really shine.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to having my hair back and having a new life and all the good experiences that'll come with it.
Well, I got hair, and I think a picture's worth 1,000 words here, as opposed to just me talking about it. As you can tell, adds a lot to my entire look. I feel youthful, I feel good again, I feel confident, I feel my age.
It ended up that Graham was a perfect candidate for transitions, and then I was a perfect candidate for the multi-unit hair grafting, and here we are.
I shower, I run, I exercise. It's my hair, I can style it however I want. If I get up one morning and want to slick it back, I can do that. I can do whatever I want with my hair. I wasn't too worried, to be honest, because I wore a hat a lot. So most of the people that didn't know me personally didn't know I was balding, but now I don't have to worry about it at all with anybody.
I would recommend them to you watching right now the way I've trusted them to somebody in my family.
I would too.
Yeah, your family, yeah. We're both in the same family, turns out.
Go to transitions, you have nothing to lose. They'll look at you for free. If you want your confidence back, you'll want your hair back. They back up everything they do, 100% guarantee that you're gonna love it. And just take the shot, you're not gonna regret it.
So there you have it. PAI
Transitions,
your hair restoration solution.